Right behind the satellite estate by Ministry of Housing, right here along Enugu Abakaliki Express, lies a very beautiful estate called Grand Omega City Owo. And like you can see, clearing has begun. We also are building the culverts. We have begun clearing, and of course we install the beacons right after and begin the perimeter fencing. Currently at this stage, the pre-launch stage, we are selling for 3.5 million naira. Grand Omega City Owo comes with a C of O. This is Owo, and like you know, there's a lot of developmental projects going around in Owo. You can see the Chinese construction company yard right now. This is the 40-kilometer dual carriage road recently commissioned by the governor. I mean, this is about 1 year in office, but the massive construction here is incredible. Listen to the governor himself as he explains.
Where we flagged off groundbreaking of our new Enugu city, where there will be a dual carriageway of 17 kilometers, and of course there will be other feeder roads. But most importantly, there will also be huge infrastructure going on at the same time. And we're here again witnessing the construction of a dual carriageway that would again mark another route to the North Central market. What we have done is keeping in line with our promise to you.
Like you heard, there is a lot of massive developmental projects going on within and around Owo. Now call today to book in for this beautiful estate. This estate comes with all the estate features and the amenities, as you know, and most importantly with a C of O. For just 3.5 million naira pre-sale price, you can key in on a plot or more. If you're buying 6 plots and above, you get a very good discount. For 6 plots, instead of paying 21 million, you get to pay 20 million. Trust me, this is one of the best deals currently in Enugu. Remember, it comes with a C of O, and so you are guaranteed. Call today to book a plot or more right here in Grand Omega City Owo, so that you can key in on this pre-sale offer. With a deposit of 1 million naira, you can also spread your balance in 3 months and of course still cash in on the pre-sale price of 3.5 million naira. Go ahead and give me a call today, as I look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy a great day.